Today I'm going to swap out the lights on my microwave and that light over the stovetop. We still have to replace our kitchen lights here soon, so this is going to kind of give us a good light source in between there. And these two have been out for quite a while, so this should be a pretty easy fix. This is a Frigidaire microwave with the vent hood underneath. So right on here, there's a screw on this spot and a screw on this spot, and that will open up the light until it's all the way out, and you can fold the plate down without losing the screw. It does just kind of hang here, that's perfectly fine. And then I'm able to untwist this light bulb. I'm putting in LED replacement versions. Pretty easy to get. A lot of these things are pretty standard setup, so you don't really have to worry about... Oh, it looks like my entire bulb is broken in here. That is magical. Okay, there we go. And if you can see this, like this is literally like coming apart from here. That's not the way it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna throw this away, and good thing I got new ones. As you can see for the other side, we'll do the exact same thing and then we'll test it out. Yeah, very not good. As you can see, that's definitely not. There we go, got that piece out. Now I can put in my new bulb. Like I said, these are the LED versions. They should work really nicely and hopefully be really stable, unlike what was in there before. Easy peasy, let's test it out. Ta-da!